Bonjour, bonjour les amis. Oh, so nice to see you today, my friends. My name is Madame Tweedy. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I'm so happy that you could find the time to join our class today. Can you say bonjour Ananas so she can join us? Bonjour Ananas. Can you say that again? Bonjour, Ananas. There she is. Now, Ananas is a friend of our classroom, and she helps us learn our sounds, our words. And today she's going to help us learn a French rhyme. A French rhyme is called une comptine. Comptine. Are you ready to go? Oui? Okay, let's get started, my friends. So this series is called French with Ananas, and this is lesson 3.8, E sound. Leçon 3.8, son I. So we're going to learn a brand new concept today with words with E sound in them. So let's get started. Girafe aime les radis. Radis, radis, radis. Oui, oui, oui. Girafe aime les radis. Tigre aime les kiwis. Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. Oui, oui, oui. Tigre aime les kiwis. Wapiti aime les biscuits. Biscuits, biscuits, biscuits. Oui, oui, oui. Wapiti aime les biscuits. Iguane aime les tapis. Tapis, tapis, tapis. Quoi? Les tapis? Non, non, non. Iguane n'aime pas les tapis. Iguane aime les fruits. Yay! Wow. Oh, you did such a good job today, mes amis. Now let's see if we can say that whole comptine without the pictures. Do you think you can do it? Let's see. Girafe aime les radis. Radis, radis, radis. Oui, oui, oui. Girafe aime les radis. Tigre aime les kiwis. Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. Oui, oui, oui. Tigre aime les kiwis. Wapiti aime les biscuits. Biscuits, biscuits, biscuits. Oui, oui, oui. Wapiti aime les biscuits. Iguane aime les tapis. Tapis, tapis, tapis. Quoi? Les tapis? Non, non, non. Iguane n'aime pas les tapis. Iguane aime les fruits. Yay! Wow, that was wonderful, les amis. Wonderful. And remember, the best way to learn a comptine is to say it over and over and over again until you know it by heart. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, Ananas? Oh, it's a question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, Ananas, should we get the sack? What's inside the sack? Let's go find out. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac, Ananas? Dans mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Est-ce qu'on regarde dans le sac? Let's have a look. On regarde, Ananas. Oh, you want to put your hand in there, Ananas? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, let's take it out. Let's take it out. Oh, Ananas. Look at this, Ananas. Oh, I think she's going to have one. Do you remember the French word for these cookies? Biscuit. Good job, biscuit. Well, I think Madame's going to take a break now, and I'm going to have les biscuits for my collation. Bravo. Merci, les amis. We'll see you next time. Au revoir.